Welcome student. Today we study the remaining parts of flower, which are the important, which is classified or grouped as essential organ of flower. That is the third one whole of flower is the androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive whorl of flower. It composed of number of stamens or stamens. When the stamens are free from each other, the androecium is said to a polyandrous. When stamens are united to the petals, they are termed as epipetaloous. Each stamen consists of three parts, that is the filament, anther, and the connective. The filament is the stalk of stamen that bear anther at its tip. It holds the anther for better position to disperse the pollen grains. When stamens are united by their filament and the anthers are free, it is known as adelphi. When filaments are united to form single bundle of androecium is known as monoadelphous. It is termed as diadelphous or polyadelphous when filaments are united to form two bundles or many bundles respectively. Then we study the part, that is the anther. Anther is upper solan fertile part of stamen. Each of two anther lobes has two chambers. Is called the pollen sac or microsporangia. Thus, there are altogether 4 loculi in each anther. Each chamber of the anther is filled with pollen grains or microspores. The two lobes anther is called diathes anther, while an anther with a single is called monoecious anther. When anthers are united and filaments are free, it is known as synagamy. In sunflower, this condition is seen. Then the connective. It is attached to the back of the anther. It is an continuation with the filament. It is the midrib-like structure between two fertile lobes of anther, connecting them together. That is known as a connective. Then the pollen grains are very minute size and are like particles of dust. Each pollen grain consists of single microscopic cell and possesses two coats, the exine and intine. The exine is the top layer which is provided with smooth or which is smooth. The intine in thin delicate. Intine is thin delicate cellulose layer inside the exine. So this is the male part of flower which is we discussed. Then we study the number 4 whorl of flower, that is known as a gynoecium. It is the female reproductive whorl of flower. It is composed of one or more carpels. Each carpel represents a modified female reproductive is known as a megasporophyle, which bears megaspores, that is the female spore. The pistil may be simple or compound. When the carpels of gynoecium are fused with each other, then it is known as a synecarpus, and when carpels are free from each other, it is known as a epicarpus gynoecium. Each pistil consists 3 parts, that is the stigma, style and ovary. So we study these remaining parts. Parts of female reproductive organ are the number 1, stigma. It is the terminal part of carpel which is receive the pollen grains during the pollination. It is medium for pollen germination, and small rounded or lobed head of pistil known as a stigma. Then second part is the style. It is a thread or tube-like structure. It acts as a connecting part in ovary and stigma. Pollen tube pass through the style after pollen germination. Then it is the slender stalk supporting the stigma is called as a style. And third one is the ovary. Ovary is the basal solan part of pistil which forms one or more chambers termed as a ovary. It is always closed. Ovary contains one or more eggs like bodies known as ovules. When it contains ovule cells known as embryo sac. A sterile pistil is known as a pistillate. So these are the parts of female reproductive organ of flower. Then we study the parts which we see in this flower diagram. Number 1, that is the peduncle. It is the stalk of flower. Receptacle, it is the part of flower where the parts of flower are attached. Then the sepals, it is the outer part of flower enclosed or developing flower bud. Then the stamen, it is the pollen producing part. and the last one is it is the part where pollens are produced in it. So in these two videos we study the different parts of flower. So student, we carefully study the flower and its functions. Flower and its functions, which are discussed in these two videos. These are the important in our exam. So in next video we meet with new topic. So thank you student.